Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Zendesk dark mode. All right. You might be asking, when you click on your profile right here at the top right, you won't be able to see any display options. All right. This display setting right here is not available. Well, there's this setting for that you'll need to turn on. All right. You're going to want to go to this app section, click on it. Now go ahead and go to Admin Center. Just click on it. Now, once you're in this page, you're going to want to go to the left panel and look for workspaces. Click on workspaces. Now go ahead and scroll down and click on agent interface. All right. Once done, you're going to want to scroll down on this page. Now make sure that dark mode EAP is ticked. All right. It says here, allow agents to turn on dark mode in agent workspace. Once you have ticked on this checkbox, just go ahead and click on save. Save the changes. All right. Now, once done, go ahead over to your workspace, refresh the page. All right. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and click on your profile again, and you should be able to see display options. Okay. Go ahead and select match system appearance, dark mode, and light mode. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.